Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and importing a sample file so you can iterate fast. You must enable OCR if sources are scanned. Once enabled, set language and DPI to optimize accuracy. Next, import a clear representative document and choose template or free extract mode. Make sure to set output format, plain text, CSV, or JSON, because that determines later parsing. Start extraction immediately to reveal issues early and adjust settings before batch runs. Now execute the core workflow. Preview results on one page to verify field detection and text fidelity. If layout varies, define extraction zones or supply rejects patterns. For complex layouts, train the model using a few labeled examples. Then configure batch parameters, concurrency level, retry logic, and confidence thresholds to balance speed and accuracy. Once you validate a small set, scale up to the full dataset while monitoring logs for misreads and missed fields. Finish by exporting cleaned output and running a quick validation against sample targets to confirm structure and content integrity. If you encounter errors, check 3 common causes: low image DPI, incorrect language settings, or unexpected layout shifts. Fix the settings and reprocess only the failed items. Make sure to maintain logs and version templates so you can reproduce fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: when confidence scores drop, increase DPI and add labeled samples to retrain the extraction model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.